What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys, and we'll also take a look at how bulls have made analysts cry. Oh yeah, analysts are crying, guys. They are weeping their tears off. They're like, oh no, what is happening? We tried our best yesterday to destroy Tesla stock price, to push it down so that we can make money on our puts. I'll show you all this data as well today, as again, guys, as with comparison with the today's updated options data as well. And analysts are crying. They tried to manipulate by downgrading Tesla over and over again. They tried doing that to push it lower because Tesla was going up after the weekend news, Robotaxi news, Reuters lying about EV model scrap plans, right? Over here we had, all that, the lying going on, right? And Tesla came out winning. But analysts here, they said, no, we can't let it go higher. We have our puts options open. They pushed it down yesterday, downgraded it, and Tesla today said, oh, really? And is making now analysts cry. Guys, we'll talk about all that good stuff. Loving the price action on it, guys. Loving the price action on it. I also want to show you how my day trading bot on Tesla did today. Awesome positions, great positions, good money. And on the left side, you can see the last 30 trades of data as well on this thing. And looking great, good profitability. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. Again, nothing is guaranteed. These are only for educational purposes, the tools. I use them as a reference. You can see there are red days as well, okay? So that's what it is, guys. That's what it is. It's just the name of the game, playing the game, coming out net profitable. That's all what it is. So let me go back to the daily interval and let's talk through the things today for the price action and what can we be expecting tomorrow. And guys, remember, nothing is financial advice in this video, only for education purposes, just providing my opinion here. That's all, nothing more than that. So Tesla, guys, is looking great to me. It's above 20 days moving average. I first want to talk about the options data here as well, but we'll get to that in just a second once I have set some foundations with you in this video as for what Tesla is doing. It has closed above 20 days moving average. Good buying we saw today. It went above 175. I wanted it to close above 175. Unfortunately, it couldn't fully do that. A little bit of selling coming in last couple of minutes, right? But it's still good. We closed quite good up today. This confirms us that bulls are holding this 20 days moving average. We have this double bottom also formed, and we regained the structure. All of that we will talk about in just a second. Let's go to the options data first. Let's talk about it. So real quick, the black dividing line is where almost, the price closely close to this price. It's, it can be argued that, it's at 174.63 cents, but, just imagine this somewhere over here, right? This line. You know what? Just give me a second, guys. All right, guys, it's fixed. It's fixed. Let's see so quick. Well, yeah, when the market was about to close, I was still thinking it's gonna close a little bit above than 175. So I had kept this line right on the right side of it, but then it's a little bit dipped. So I just want to be very accurate here as well. So here we go. It's now between 172.5 and 175. This is the current, almost around the current closing price, this black dividing line. These two are from the previous price actions, okay? It's from the previous days. So that's why I have these grayed lines, the closing prices. And bright green is the today's options data on the call side, and bright red is the today's puts data from the options side. And then the dark reds are from the previous days, and then the dark green are from the previous days, the calls and the puts respectively, okay? So Junior Trader, what's going on over here? So guys, as you know, even on the weekend, we had so many high puts compared to the calls. You can go and check out my previous videos, guys, if that will help in more chart comparison. Let me see, actually, this was my chart, I think, yesterday. Yeah, so you can see this. Oh, yes. So let's use this. This is from yesterday. And you can see puts were so much piling up, and that's where the analysts were trying to downgrade to make money on their put side. This is from the 9th April chart. You can see this is when I talked about this, that guys, Tesla is looking great. These puts are going to burn their money. And puts were so much piling up, but calls were less. But calls were making them all the money, right? And then the next day, this is when it happened that analysts came with downgrades. And you can now understand the manipulation, the reasons why, because the puts were so high and they wanted to make the money, right, on their direction. So that's when this, they came with the downgrades. We then saw they're piling up more. And today, Tesla, guys, is making them cry again because price has pushed further out. Now, this is from today's data. Puts are still piling up. They are less now. They are going away. You can see today's the bright red data is less than the yesterday's puts data. Even here at 170, this was yesterday 36,000 puts options. Today 22,000. So, and calls are increasing substantially today. Look at the how many 175 calls are printed today. And some are in the money as well. Then 180 calls are being printed as well. So you get my point. So puts are still there. Density is still high there, but they're crying, guys. They're crying. Calls, things are moving towards calls slowly and slowly. And tomorrow is the last day of this week. So we'll see how things rolls out. But guys, analysts have failed. Tesla has made them cry. Their downgrades did not work and Tesla is coming back up. So junior trader, has Tesla gained the bullish direction again? Is it full on bullish? So guys, we have to talk about the structure here. So as I showed you on the daily interval that we are above 20 days moving average, that's a great sign. We are holding this. I talked about to you guys yesterday that guys, if we want to negate this downgrade that we had, we got to close today on a green candle and above 20 days moving average. We not just closed above 20 days moving average, we retested the bottom and you can see the wick buying happened and we won to the upside, right? I know the overall whole market was going up today, but Tesla, guys, even yesterday market was a little bit, shaky, but Tesla just plummeted after those downgrades. So this is very important for analysts to cry now, okay? Because Tesla is regaining its bullish momentum. This is awesome. So I want to see it also above 200 hours moving average. We got that as well. Look at this sell-off was negated today fully. We got a good pullback in the buying. Tesla is above 20 days moving average, as I just showed you. It's above this area of 200 hours moving average. Great. Above 20 and 50 moving average as well. That's awesome. As I said, I wanted it to close above 175 as well, but we are very close to doing that tomorrow. Now tomorrow, guys, yes, Tesla is intraday bullish again. I showed you my bot as well. Day trading bot made good money, right, in the beginning of this video. And Tesla, as long as it stays above this 173 tomorrow and above 200 hours moving average, breakout above 175 is the long play intraday to 180. So yes, Tesla has a room to continue to climb there to 180. Tesla at this point is only again downside for me if Tesla, there's a possibilities on either side. That's why we trade with the stop loss. So if Tesla breaks below 173 and also 171 area, then yes, we have a problem. This is the zone, guys. If we lose 171 and 94 cents tomorrow, then there's again a problem going into next week. But if we can close above 200 hours moving average this week, so tomorrow to the upside, so that's a great sign on Tesla going into next week. So 180 is what we want to target tomorrow. Yes, Tesla intraday is still bullish in my opinion. It is showing the structure to the upside. Nothing is guaranteed, just my educational opinion. You go and do whatever you want to do. I care nothing of your business. It's up to you. You are responsible for your decisions and outcomes. So now with the, so guys, that's pretty much it. Tesla is looking great on the daily interval. I definitely want to see Tesla to push higher this week, tomorrow. I want to see that. We do have this 50 days moving average rolling resistance still. But this is looking great already, guys. This is the month amount of consolidation. Tesla is still showing good supports here after even downgrades. Like Tesla have had series of bad news in this whole area, and Tesla is still defying all of that. It's still coming out winning. So this is awesome. Okay. And I'm not going to provide any update on my position today because I am still holding my net profitable position, as what I talked about yesterday as well. If you want to really know how in depth my position is here, check out my videos on Tesla on my channel. You can go to my Tesla playlist. You will see all the videos in sequence. You can see updates are there. Since I haven't updated my position anyhow, I still hold the Tesla long net position. So yeah, that's why I'm not going to spend time on it, because I have not changed any size on it right now. Okay, just check out my previous video to know updated position play on my Tesla that I have. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. A lot good stuff on Nvidia as well. I have talked in the morning the long plays that we have been taking. Now the structure has broken, right? I talked about all of that since yesterday, and we have been getting massive moves again back to the upside, and my bot has been making a lot of money on Nvidia as well. I'll show you that as well when I do Nvidia video later today. So hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Oh, wait. Before we go, QQQ, I want to show you this as well. Very bullish today. So this may negate this distribution phase if this continues this way. If we have a clean breakout above 447 and 448 region, yeah, guys, get prepared for another leg up. That's the reality of the market. Otherwise, it's still a distribution phase. So it's all about the levels breaks and how it breaks. SPY, I would say, is not that strong yet, again, but looking at the market how it is, if it wants to turn around upside again, continue upside, it can do that as well. So anyways, I don't have any positions on SPY and QQ right now, because I have been waiting for distribution phase to fully have a clean, clear break on either side. So all right, guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.